Hey guys, I keep getting the same question whether if you guys delete your Fortnite app from your iPhone, iPad, your Xbox, PlayStation, anything, you will lose all your skins, your V-Bucks and everything. Well, I can guarantee you won't, because as long as you guys know your username and password, then you're good. Everything's stored online. It has nothing to do with the app itself, but your account. So as long as you guys don't delete your account, you're fine. But deleting an app or the game does not mean you're deleting your account. So I'm gonna do exactly that right now to show you. So I'm just gonna go ahead, just minimize it, and then I see Fortnite here. So I'm just gonna hold my finger on top of it until I see delete app. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. So delete Fortnite, yes. And there you go. You guys can go ahead into your app store and re-download Fortnite. So I'm gonna go ahead, look for Fortnite, and re-download it. It's gonna have to download the game, and then once I open up the game, it's gonna download any updates. Usually the updates are pretty big, so I'm looking about maybe 4 gigs of updates after this initial download. From there, just make sure to sign in the same way you signed in the first time. So if you used your Epic username, then do that. If you guys signed in with your Xbox or PS4 credentials, then do that as well. So as long as you guys sign in the same way, or with the same username and password from your Epic account, you will not lose anything. That's exactly why I'm making this video. If you guys are deleting this from your Xbox or PlayStation, same thing. Just sign in the same way you signed in the first time. You will see all your V-Bucks, your skins, and everything you've ever purchased. You will not lose anything. So right now I'm just gonna open it up and it's gonna run some updates. Like I mentioned, we have to use the same account, so yes, find my account. I'm gonna sign in this case using my Xbox credentials. However, if you guys signed in with your Epic, then choose the very first option, which is with Epic Games. I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue. It's just gonna take me to my sign in. I'm gonna have to put in my email and password. So as long as you put in your correct password and everything, we can just click on allow right here. It's just gonna sign in, it's gonna connect, and it's gonna start installing. Let's just tap on install the remaining update. So, okay, got it. And that's about 4 gigs, like I mentioned before. Anyways, right now we're just gonna wait for that. I'm gonna log back in so you guys can see that I still have everything, the exact same amount of V-Bucks. Just in case if you guys purchased any V-Bucks on your iPhone, those will not get transferred into your Xbox. Or if you guys purchased V-Bucks on your Xbox or PlayStation, those will not get transferred onto your iPhone. And that's just the way it goes. And it's the same thing if you guys have an Android device, same deal. It finally downloaded the update and now it's just loading. Once this loading is done, I'm back into the game. Okay, so right now everything that's starting up again, it should show you everything that you would if you reinstall the app. So right now we see this, that's okay, we can skip all this because we have seen all this from before. Let's skip this, close this, just choose this for now. And there we go. So right now we can see that our V-Bucks are still the same. I have the same skin, haven't lost anything from my account. And that's the way it is. As long as you guys don't delete your actual account, just the game or just the app, it doesn't matter. You will still have everything from before. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.